Boldt HVAC is a reputable HVAC company that serves the Burnsville, Minnesota region. Our team of experienced technicians is committed to delivering top-notch heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services. Whether you require installation, repair, or maintenance for your HVAC system, we have the necessary skills and knowledge to complete the job with excellence. We provide competitive rates and dependable service to ensure that your home or business remains comfortable throughout the year. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for a HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. What services does your HVAC company offer? Boldt HVAC offers a range of HVAC services including installation, repairs, maintenance, emergency services, indoor air quality solutions, ductwork services, thermostat installation/upgrades, energy efficiency consultation, and custom HVAC solutions. How experienced is your team of technicians? Our team of technicians at Boldt HVAC is exceptionally experienced, with a wealth of expertise in servicing and maintaining various HVAC systems. We take pride in their professionalism and ability to handle all your heating and cooling needs effectively. What is your service area for the Burnsville, Minnesota office? Our HVAC company has successfully helped customers in the surrounding areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Eagan, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Burnsville, Minnesota HVAC company office located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our phone number is 651-927-4550. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/Burnsville-HVAC.